I'm Mariam. I'm a beauty and lifestyle influencer on YouTube and on Instagram. I am here at the Kiss headquarters to show you how to use their magnetic liner and lashes kit. I'm going to walk you through all the steps so that you know how to do it with me. Here we have the Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner Kit. In it we have the magnetic liner and also the false lashes. Cool thing about this lash is that it actually has 5 magnets. So what you can do is actually trim it to the magnet so that it fits better on your eye. And now it's going to fit much better. Before applying the eyeliner, make sure to shake the bottle. The liquid eyeliner is so easy to apply. It has a fine precision tip that really allows you to get a nice wing and then apply the lashes. I also love that the formula is biotin infused, so it helps your natural lashes, and it is paraben free. Make sure to fully draw in the magnetic liner where the magnets will be touching for secure application. And reapply 2 or 3 more coats of the liner for maximum strength. These double strength magnets will stay in place all night long. Line, lash, and done. I love how smoothly the eyeliner glides on and how easy the lashes are to put on. All right, now let's test these against some extreme wind. And they're still on. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.